Most traders overcomplicate market structure. They have too many lines, too many theories, and end up confused. But marking the market structure is actually simple. In this video, I will show you exactly how to mark the market structure using real charts, no fluff, straight to the point. So if we see, this is the low, this is the high, this is the higher low. Why? Because this is inside this range, right? It's a higher low. Now we will mark the higher high again because the market has broken the previous high and made an higher high. Again, it will make an higher low, continue making higher high, right? Again, higher low, which is inside this range, and then again higher high. So this is our higher high market structure, right? So let us zoom into this area and quickly see the chart. You have just keep in mind that if the market is bullish, you have to mark the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? If the market changes the character, goes lower, then you have to mark the low, lower, lower, low, right? So that's the simple market structure. And let me quickly draw it in the live chart. You can either choose the line chart or the candlesticks. In the beginning of it, I will consider choosing the line chart for your easy understanding, right? So let me quickly mark here. What we can see is this is a high of this range, right? We don't have the right side of it. We still are in this range. So the highest part is this. So we will mark it as an high, right? And below this it is the low part of this range. So we will mark it as a low, right? And what we will see is an break of structure. So this high was broken over here, right? And I will name it as a break of structure. And after the break of structure, we will again the next high as an higher high because it has formed an higher closing than this high. So we will name it as an higher high. And same as the higher high, we will mark this low as an higher low. Why? Because this low has been formed higher than this low. So here I will mark it as an higher low. Hello. Again, I will next see and break of structure. Here it has been break of structure, right? Of structure. And again, the market is in the uptrend, not given as any change of character. So I will mark the next high as an higher high. This is our higher high. And now again, what we will look for the break of structure here. After forming the break of structure, we can mark the higher low. Before the break of structure, we can't mark the higher low. Keep in mind. After breaking this structure, right, what we can see is higher low. After this, higher high. This is our higher low, right? So I hope you have understand this market structure easily. This is our high low, and after breaking the structure and the market is in uptrend without changing the character, we will mark the next high as an higher high and next low as an higher low. It is continuing, so I will call again it is an higher high and this is our higher low. So next again we will see here, again we have an higher high over here after breaking the structure, and again we have a break of structure in this range, higher low over here, right? Again what we will see is higher high over here after this range has been confirmed and broke this high, right? I will call it as a break of structure, and after that I will mark the higher low over here, right? So this is our higher high market structure on the line chart. And if we see on the, so we can see high low higher high higher low, higher high higher low, higher high higher low, higher high higher low, right? So let us quickly see an downtrend where we can mark the low. What we have here is change of character, right? We have an CHOCH forming here or the market structure shift, right? So this will become our low, this our high, and it continues forming and lower low lower high structure on the minor time frame. Breakout structure over here, I will name it as an lower high, and this one as an lower low, right? And this is our breakout structure on the downtrend, right? Until it gives us a change of character over here. So when we have a change of character, when the lower high gets broken, the lower high gets swept, lower high, I will consider this high for easy understanding, right? After the change of character or the MSS will mark an low, high. So high gets swept over here, right? High is getting swept. We have an bullish breakout structure. We do not have any lower low. Instead, we have an higher high forming over here. So after forming the higher high, we have an higher low over here. Higher low. Again, the higher high gets broken. Name it as a breakout structure. We will have an higher high over here, right? Again here, what we can see, we have a change of character over here because we do not have any higher high over here and higher low has been broken. I will name it as an CHOCH or MSS, right? So what we will look for here is a major sweep of this low, right? So this low has been broken over here. We have the first breakout structure in the price, high, and the low, right? But this high got swept and the high got swept with displacement. So what we will look is an higher high and higher low. This would be our higher low because this is higher than the previous low, right? And this high will be our higher high. Why? Because this high is higher than the previous high, right? Again, here we have a breakout structure. We have an higher low over here because this low is higher than this, and here we have a higher high because this high is higher than this. And here we again have a change of character because this higher low has been taken. We have a change of character or market structure shift. Again, after that we have a breakout structure, first breakout structure, and then we will mark this is an high, this is an low, right? And we will look for any break of highs or lows. So this low has been broken, right? I will say it as a change of character or the market structure shift, and it has formed a lower low over here and lower high over here. Again, we have a break of structure over here. Sorry, this is our break of structure as well. I have mistakenly marked it as a market structure shift, right? After the first market structure shift, we have a break of structure way through it. So this is our simple market structure, and I hope you have understood the market structure easily without any complication. You can either use the candlesticks or the line chart to consider the high low formation. Whichever is easy for you, you can use it, right? If you see here, the candles are exactly the same as the line chart. High, low, change of character, low, low, higher, higher, low, higher, high. Again, market structure shift, low, high, lower, lower, high. So this is our continuation. Again, we have a change of character and high, low, higher, higher, low, higher, low. Formation continues, right? Until we have a change of character. So now if the price breaks this low, we have a change of character in the price, and we will look for lower low and lower high confirmations, and where we can consider market has shift the trend and continuing lower low, right? So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe our channel and like this video. I hope this video would be helpful to you, and see you in the another one.